Hey guys, so super simple way how you're gonna connect your television to your Lenovo laptop. So what you have to do, you just need to simply plug in the HDMI port on your TV and choose the appropriate input option for the port. If your laptop screen doesn't appear automatically, toggle through the display options on your laptop until it does. Or you need to also go to settings on TV. So what you have to do is that you just want to locate on your HDMI here on your laptop, and when you're gonna have the HDMI, then what you need to do is that you just want to go on TV HDMI port, and you want to insert the HDMI cable to the TV. So first you're gonna insert the HDMI to your laptop, and then you're gonna insert the HDMI to your television with the HDMI cable. But maybe you don't have the HDMI cable, then you need to use a VGA. So for example, here you see VGA. So that's what you need to also find on your VGA on your laptop, and you have to connect it through that with the VGA cable. So try to find the similar cables.